Hi, welcome back to the garden. Today is Thursday, December 1st. You know what we need to do at my house today? We need a plant. Check it out. We got a bare spot over there, and we've got a jar of beet seeds. Come on, let's plant.
Hey, buddy. Oh, yes. You want to help me plant some beets? Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Yes, you're a pretty boy. Yes, you're a pretty boy.
Right here we've got a radish. Here we've got a cabbage. We've got some cilantro and radish. Got a decent little beet coming up right there. Got a couple carrots there. Got another cabbage. Some more beets, some more cilantro, some more radishes. Just like everything else, pull that mulch back, get down to soil. Look how nice that is. 51 degrees today. Although that wind still makes it feel a little chilly, it's not going to freeze for the next several nights. So I think we're in pretty good shape. Plant some beets here, we'll leave a little space here, because I guarantee you I'll have to plant something else pretty quick. So we're going to do this a Root Stout way. And this is beet seeds that we saved, so I'm going to plant these heavy. I'm just going to sprinkle those out on the ground. Pat them down, good soil contact. Now beets push up through the mulch pretty good, so we're going to put a little layer back over this. This pretty much broke down wood chips. And there you go. Beets, December 1st. Got quite a few beets germinated, and the kale. This is succession planting. I intend to be eating beet leaves all winter long. Now speaking of beets, that's succession planting. That's the beets before the ones we just looked at. Now our bok choy and our cabbage are coming along just fine. Now I know there's quite a few of the friends of this channel that are out there doing the same thing I just did. And you can do this too. We encourage you to get out there and get your hands dirty. If it's a little late in the season for you, get a container, put a little soil in it, and you can start some beets in the house. You can start some radishes. I recommend radishes. They're pretty easy to start. Well, let's go ahead and see what we did the other day. Even though it's not supposed to freeze tonight, I want to keep these guys good and warm. Let's take a look at these. We looked at these yesterday to see if they've grown any. Just the other day, all you could see were seeds that had started to germinate. We've got leaves coming up all over the place. If you've never grown anything, I recommend get a container and put a little soil in it, plant some radish seeds. You'll be amazed at what happens. Let's go ahead and tuck these back in. And this is what I mean about the radishes. You were here with me when I planted these on September 1st. You can do this too. And that's why we do it, because it tastes great. Now if you want to see how we planted these radishes, click that link right there and I'll meet you right back here in the garden. And until next time, remember, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant.
Let's go plant garden.